see my views. Gotta control my DNA, cause I don't wanna lose it. Oppression made me anxious, so I don't feel well. A golden hangover, and it was just the smell. Suspect at first glance, but I can hide my anguish. Combustible, uncrustable, on Friday's egg sandwich. I know I get those ominous vibes that you won't wanna see. I trade my fangs away if it were up to me. I got my sights set on some unreal ideals, and my feelings are like balancing on rails of steel. I need the proper guidance, cause I'm hiding in my thoughts. I'll be the meat sage, you call the shots. Fragile body, but attitude defy. I've seen it all from the dirt to the sky. Don't try to follow, I'm not your pawn. Close with my friends, but my enemies were closer. I'm running for a steam on empty. A sideways revolutionary in the making. And I don't really think that you can take me. I'm a death wish, number 4, ready to go. It's sticking out the same, this wildfire. It's sticking out the same, this wildfire. It's sticking out the same, this wildfire. Young guard, you might die. That'd be 18 years wasted. But I'm not blind, I can see the condescending stares. And I'm not taking your pity, and I'm immune to your glares. I'm not staying timid or compliant, we're doing this on my terms. You're jealousy, you're nothing but worms. And I can tell the superficial gonna hit me. Get in line up and brave me, you can mock me as a ranger. I'm surrounded here by danger, come at me, I'm living my life face to face.
Hey there, thanks for watching my storyboard. I'm still kind of new to animation and it's really time consuming, obviously. So if you want to see stuff more often, you can subscribe down below. I have a Twitter and a Patreon if you want to support me, if you're a fan of Beastars, if you like my art. I give art advice, prizes, and behind the scenes over on Patreon. With a big shout out to Coco Loco for being a really big supporter there. All my patrons, it means a lot to me, and I try to give back as much as I can. I deal with a lot of health problems, so I'm not always working as fast as I'd like to. So if you want to support me and see more art more often, any support over on Patreon means a lot to me. It makes a big impact on me right now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Penn, and I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.